In this video, we're going to take a quick look at Aftra's cybersecurity software and how it might benefit your organization. So here, when we open Aftra, what greets us is the Aftra Security Dashboard. And here we can take a look at our overall external security. So we have a score ranging from 0 to 100, as well as different sub-scores for different categories. Here below, we can see our Aftra internal score, scoring how good our internal security is. As well as here on the right, we can look at our security score trend. So how has our security score been trending lately? And how does it compare to our goal, which is our KPI of 75 here in this case. Here below, we have some suggested tasks for you, as well as some statistics about what we have found and how we can secure ourselves better. If we quickly take a look at the assets, we can see here a list of all of our domains as a company. So you could imagine that every single one of your company's domains would be here listed. We could open up each and every one and see some information about this domain, a screenshot, and here below we could see all the active or inactive subdomains that are connected to this main domain. We could click into each and every subdomain, see a screenshot of that, and then here below all of the different opportunities for improvement that we can find on this specific domain. The second part of our assets, and something that is often forgotten, is our employees' email accounts. And here we have a list of all of the accounts that we can find connected to your domain, and we're giving each and every employee a risk score, which is based on a couple of different factors, among which are data leaks, password leaks, how recent they are, as well as where this particular employee has registered their work email online to create accounts. And here we essentially have an overview of that on the footprint. Here we can see all the different places that our employees have registered their work emails on the internet. We have a lot of normal things like Google, HubSpot, Adobe. This can be normal use of a work email, but we also have some abnormal uses for our work email, like personal shopping or social media accounts. These are stuff that we want to use personal email accounts for rather than our work email. If we take a quick look at our opportunities, here we essentially list and prioritize all of the opportunities for improvement that your organization has in their security goals. So here we can see a list of vulnerabilities, and here we can take a look at this top one, a file path traversal vulnerability. We can see, okay, where are we finding it? When did we find it? And when did we last see it? And here below, we can see some information. Okay, so this is the exact location of this vulnerability. We have some details about it, a description, what the vulnerability is, some background, typically what a hacker might be able to do with this vulnerability. And then here below, remediation. So how do we, as an IT security team, address this and hopefully fix it? We also have a nifty little button here, Ask AI, where we can ask an AI agent to go to our website, check out the context of this vulnerability, and give us context-based remediation. If we take a quick look at our integrations, here we can see what we integrate with. We integrate with Vanta for compliance, code repositories to be able to statically see your code, Microsoft Defender, Google and Office, as well as AWS, and Slack and Teams to receive notifications so that we can act quickly when a critical vulnerability is found. So that was a very quick look at Aftra and the kind of core capabilities. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informational.